A lot of freaking boxes, man. It's a lot of boxes. I'm gonna try and fit all this in the TL. I'm heading to the shop right now. It's going to Fast Auto Concepts, so they're gonna be handling the build. Very exciting. Finally gonna get this done. I got everything in the car with me. I've cut all the parts. So I've got the intercooler right there, the J-pipe, the pre-cat deletes, and then I've got the rest of the kit with the Rotrex, and I've got the motor mounts and everything in the trunk. I'm surprised it's not rubbing right now, actually. Fitment's good. I might rub on this. Yeah. Okay, so, oh, look at the water. Oh, jeez. Spring's coming, boys. Who would have thought my first boosted car would have been a TL? So I'm just gonna drive there and I'll hit you guys up. Got the MDX behind me. Drop this thing off for a few days and let the shop work their magic. Catch you there. See you soon. Good morning, fellas. I got a message this morning from Fast Auto Concepts saying pretty much that they got everything done and they just need me to come flash the base map onto the car. So I dropped the car off on Monday, but they said they weren't going to get to it until Tuesday because Monday was a holiday. So basically they started working on it on Tuesday. It's now Thursday morning. They messaged me at 8:30 this morning saying they were done. So that's pretty awesome. We're in the shop, got the Flash Pro, got race cars. Let's get this tune loaded up. That's so cool. Don't mind my dirty engine bay. That's sick. Crazy, man. Crazy. Dude, that sounds nuts. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just can't believe it's an Acura TL making that noise.
I know, right?
That's so weird.
You're gonna surprise people for sure with this thing. And it's a good looking car, man. It looks sharp with these wheels on it.
Okay. Here's the first drive. Man, honestly, before I go, hey, the motor mounts are not that bad, by the way. Like, this is the most amount of shit. I got stuff sitting here. Motor mounts are not bad. All this reset because of the battery, don't worry about that. I just wanted to say, you know, shout out to Luca and Fast Auto Concepts. Like, the work they did was incredible, and you know, it's all reasonably priced, obviously. Like, just incredible. I can't believe this thing's boosted. What the? This is nuts. Like, I'm just trying to. I don't know if you guys see. I'm on our compounds in the snow. Dude, I can hear it. Like, dude, this is crazy. I also can't believe that Derek just sent me a tune and this thing's just running perfectly fine. Holy shit! What? Oh my god, dude. Honestly, the shaking's not bad at all from the motor mounts. It's like barely vibrating more than it used to. Actually, I think it was worse with the shit OEM motor mounts. my god! You hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that, man. I can't wait to mic the engine bay up. This is absolutely insane. This is nuts, man. This is nuts. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, dude. I'm like at a loss for words. Press this. Data log. Perfectly normal. I don't know, I'm surprised at how well it just drives on a base map. I think Derek's tuned all the TLs with this kid, so you know, he definitely knows his stuff. So I guess I shouldn't be surprised. I'm just gonna cruise around for a little bit, get these logs, and put this thing away, get it out of the salt. See ya. Right now to like 3,500 or 4,000 RPM or something, so I can really only just kind of putt around just while we're basically we're still doing diagnostics right now. I hope you guys can hear me. I know it drones so bad in here. Oh, it looks like it's snowing over there already. Great. I talked to Derek from Innovative Motorworks Tuning, and oh my god. So after all the changes, you know, like Luca went back through and redid the injector wiring and all sorts of stuff. Except to just replace the knock sensor at this point. So picked up the OEM knock sensor yesterday from the dealer, and it's gonna get installed in a few weeks probably. I would do it myself. Again, because we're doing diagnostic, I don't want the chance of me screwing something up to be what the issue is. The problem is right now is we're seeing a ton of knock on cylinder 1 and a little bit in the other cylinders on the same bank. After going back through everything, you know, kind of doing some more diagnostic and just trying to fix anything that could potentially be broken, causing noise, and I don't know what it could be, but pretty much all it's left at this point, because the car is running fine. Like I don't feel anything. I mean, you can tell I'm driving it right now. I don't feel anything, like I don't feel any detonation. But when I look at the Honda app, you know, I'm seeing at 2,000 RPM, always at throttle tip in. It's just like the knock count's going up by like 30 at a time. It's just weird. Like it doesn't make sense. So I'm thinking it would just be a sensor issue. We're gonna replace the sensor and hopefully we're good. I'm gonna pull off. I'll get you guys some clips, just some sound clips. One thing I did want to say, I have a 12-inch vibrant bottle resonator on the way because this thing, I don't know what it is, whether it's the flow from the Rotrex unit or you know, the J-pipe piping being larger. I'll get some sound clips. Obviously I can't rev it very high because there's a limiter right now, just from the tune. I don't really think it sounds great at the moment, just with all the weird frequencies and stuff. So we'll see what it sounds like after the resonator. I might need another one, but that sounds cool. It'll probably sound cooler from the front, maybe, I don't know, but then you can really hear that like weird frequency I'm talking about. months, and it's been in storage for 4 months. So it's a little sad, but big turbo coming for that, so that's cool. It should be, I don't know, maybe, I don't know when that'll come, but it doesn't matter. I have got this thing to worry about for now.